Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John, Big John's Bully House. Do another video of the pups. Male, big boy, female, lilac and white. They are up to date on shots, dewormings, ABKC papers in hand. The partner said 3,500. 3,500.
We're so crazy for what we do with our dogs.
Yeah. 3,500. Does that include shipping?
Yep.
Include shipping. 3,500. Again, lilac and white female. Pretty mamas. And then yeah. Pretty as hell.
Come on, pretty. Come on. Not you, I know. Just being. Hey, come on, Brownie. Come here, boy. Good boy.
Then the big boy. Again, update on shots, dewormings, ABKC papers in hand. If you are interested, 815-632-9073.
Yeah, because my family's already naming them.
They've been started on crate training.
Oh yeah, they're doing excellent too. Excellent on crate training. They go out 9 o'clock at night, again at maybe 4 in the morning. Even if they go out 4 in the morning, most of the times they just sleep throughout the night. Like last night, I covered up the crate, 2 sheets. They were out till about 6 a.m. till we got up. But that's also stopping their water and food, you know, at 7 o'clock.
Right.
You know, in order for it to work, you got to do it right.
Hey, don't come over here gnawing on me. Don't you come over here gnawing on me. Come here. Don't you be. Ouch. Hey, relax.
She's all go, bro.
Oh yeah.
She is all fucking go.
Pretty boy. I'm pretty boy.
He'll chill.
I'm pretty boy. Hey. There you go. Bite each other. Want to give a huge shout out to all subscribers, new and old, like, shares, comments, followers, all the love that we get, continue to get. As always, take care. God bless. Stay safe. We love you all, man. Keep rocking with us.